Hi, welcome to Victoria's Garden.
Today, we're in the beach, but this doesn't stop me to notice a free fertilizer that has been used by farmers for centuries. Free seaweeds has been used by coastal gardeners as a soil conditioner and plant feed, but there is no public right to collect seaweeds from the beach. If you plan to collect seaweeds, it is always advisable to check with the landowner and the local council or ask permission to proper authority. Seaweeds contain some beneficial plant nutrients including nitrogen, potassium, phosphate, and magnesium, and trace elements. Seaweeds products are useful products for organic gardeners wishing to avoid synthetic fertilizers. Seaweeds and seaweeds fertilizer are sustainable and renewable resources. Though seaweed is salty, there is no sufficient amount of salt to damage crop or soil, and the salt in any case drains out easily with rainfall as it is highly soluble. If you ever decided to use these materials to your garden, make sure you do a proper research on proper application and fermentation process. As you can see, there are types of seaweeds that you can also use as mulch or part of your compost materials. Being resourceful is part of continuous process in gardening and farming.